Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to nudge here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Nudging elements here in Canva is a simple process that is an essential practice for achieving precise and professional designs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section here. You can choose from business, social media, education, video, marketing, and print products. If you want to start from scratch, just click the create a design option here. Now, let me tell you that nudging allows for fine-tuned adjustments to the position of elements. Okay? In my case, I'm going to choose this design. And I wanted to nudge this element right here together. Okay? Creating a mirror effect. Now, for you to be able to do that, don't just click the element and then move it around using your mouse, because it's not like nudging. You see, it's not precise. What I want you to do is, instead, use your arrow key. For example, I'm going to be using the forward key in this case, right? Just take your time. It takes a little while because the precision is crucial for creating a balanced and a aesthetically pleasing design, right? Just wait for it. Now, as you can see, using nudging helps align elements with other components in your design. In my case, I'm going to choose the other one. Now, I'm going to press the left or back arrow, because the proper alignment creates a cohesive look and makes the design more visually appealing. All right, improving overall organization. Now, I'm going to carefully put it on the downside here. I would like to combine them together. You see? Now, they become one uniform element, right? When working on multi-page documents or design, nudging helps keep elements consistent across pages. What I'm going to do right now is copy this together, group, and I'm going to go to the section right here. Hold on. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. All right, copy this. Now, I'm going to create multiple images right here, and basically that's how you nudge here in Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.